Okay. Then let us know how these batteries are generated electricity. After that, we have discussed the different types of cells and rechargeable batteries. Rechargeable batteries, we know a cell are using in our day-to-day life. For conducting science experiment, we are using 9-volt battery, a high power battery, or in small torch lights, or for TV remotes, right? We are using a kind of cell. This is a cell or the battery. This is a cell or the battery. You know very well about it. No problem. Let us discuss. Right. So maximum a single cell gives only 1.5 volts of electric current. A single cell gives only 1.5 volt of electric current. So when this kind of cells are joined one after one, we know the symbol for cell. So this is the symbol for a cell, plus minus. This represents the single cell. If we join another cell, and if we join the other cell in the right, then plus minus minus plus minus plus minus plus minus plus minus. We know a cell has two terminals. One is the longer one is the positive terminal. The longer one is positive terminal, and the shorter one is the negative terminal. Negative terminal. So it represents only a single cell. Single cell. Combination of two or more cells. Combination of two or more cells you can call as a battery. A group of cells join in a series is called a battery. So the symbol for battery this is the symbol for battery, right? So this battery contains some important substances, and let us know some terms which are related, very important terms which are related to a battery or the cell. The first one is electrolyte. The first one is an electrolyte. Then second one is electrode. Second one is an electrode. These are the main. So for example, if it is considered a volta cell, or also called a galvanic cell, this galvanic cell or volta cell contains three parts. The main one, so for differentials I am showing here. This is copper, and this is the zinc, and this is the container. So electrolyte and electrode. What is electrolyte? Electrolyte is a substance or a solution. Electrolyte is a solution. Electrolyte is a solution. A solution or a liquid. A solution or a liquid. A liquid or a solution of substance. Of a substance. Of a substance. Which can conduct electricity. Which can conduct electricity. Which can conduct electricity is called electrolyte. A solution or a liquid or a solution. A solution or a liquid. A solution or a liquid. Right, sorry. A liquid or a solution. A liquid or a solution or a substance which can conduct electricity is called electrolyte. Is called electrolyte. Example, you can take it as example solutions of acids, bases and salts. Acids, bases and salts. I already told you the Volta used the paper soaked in salt solution, and also he took dilute hydrochloric acid also. Then next one, electrode. Electrodes are the metallic rods or a solid electrical conductor. A solid electrical conductors. Electrical conductors through which electric current enters and leaves from the electrolyte. Example, carbon rods, metal rods. So graphite rods, or copper wire, copper plate, copper wire, metal zinc plate or iron plate, zinc wire, copper wire, iron wire, whatever. So they acts as a electrode. First of all, let us know what is electrochemical cell. What is a cell? What is a cell? A cell is a device which is convert chemical energy into electrical energy. So that's why sometimes these are also called as a electrochemical cell. In that cell, electrochemical cell, some chemical reactions are happened. Due to that chemical reaction, electricity is generated. Right? So then electrodes. There are two types of electrodes. Two types of electrodes. One is anode. Anode means an electrode which is connected to the positive terminal. An electrode which is connected to the positive terminal of the battery. Then the second one is anode. Then the second one is anode. An electrode which is connected to the negative terminal of the battery. Negative terminal of the battery is called cathode. Is called cathode. One is anode, another one is the cathode. Another one is the cathode. So these are the some terms which are related to our topic. Electrolyte, a liquid or a solution or a substance which can conduct electricity. Example: solution of acids, bases and salts. Electrodes, a solid electrical conductor through which electric current enters and leaves from the electrolyte. Two kinds, anode and cathode. So these are the some terms which are related to battery. Then let us discuss the Voltaic cell. The cell is a device which is converted chemical energy into electrical energy. A cell contains these three: electrolyte, electrode, and also it has some kind of container. That kind of container we can call as a voltmeter. A vessel. A vessel or a container. A vessel or a container is called voltmeter. It's called voltmeter. For example, if it is considered as a cell, it is considered as a cell. So it acts as an anode. The other one acts as a cathode. The solution is called as an electrolyte. These are the electrodes. During some chemical reactions, it acts as an anode. Due to some chemical reaction, it acts as an anode. It acts as a cathode. The solution we have taken here, that is acts as an electrolyte. And this vessel or container is called voltmeter. So these are the some important terms also. We should know these terms. Right? Now let us discuss volta cell or galvanic cell. So hope understood is all. Volta cell. Already we discussed the story behind or the history behind the invention of a cell or a battery. So Louis Galvani first proposed biological current or biological electricity or animal current or animal electricity. But after Louis Galvani, Alexandro Volta conducted experiment with some metal wires and some kind of solutions. He generated the electricity and he invented the first cell. So, cell, in that the first one is Voltaic cell. Voltaic cell or galvanic cell. Voltaic cell or galvanic cell. sorry. Voltaic cell or galvanic cell. Right. Let's take a diagram of a simple voltaic cell. This is a simple representation of voltaic cell. A simple representation of voltaic cell. Right? As we discussed just now or earlier, what are the some important terms? Some important terms are electrolytic cell. The voltaic cell consisting of a solution. One solution. This is a electrolyte. This is an electrolyte. So here dilute hydrochloric acid, dilute sulfuric acid or hydrochloric acid. Acid. So dilute sulfuric acid. Dilute sulfuric acid acts as an electrolyte. Acts as an electrolyte. Then second one. Next one. Here we have orange colored rod. That is anode. So here anode is a copper rod or copper wire. Copper rod or copper wire. Then the next one is cathode. Next one is a cathode. That is a zinc wire or zinc rod. Zinc wire or zinc rod. So then this is a vessel. The vessel is called as, so voltameter, you can call this voltameter is a container or a vessel. So here due to chemical reactions, due to some chemical reactions between this copper anode and zinc cathode, copper anode and zinc cathode, due to some chemical reactions, exchange of electrons, exchange of ions, electrons. So because of some chemical reactions, electricity is generated, and Then here electrolytic solution is dilute sulfuric acid, and in dilute sulfuric acid he placed two different metal rods. Two different metal rods. One is copper, then other one is zinc. Connected wires to the battery, connected the wires to the bulb. Due to chemical reactions, energy is the chemical energy is converted into electrical energy. So this is about voltaic cell. Voltaic cell or galvanic cell. So here this copper plate acts as a positive terminal, then the zinc acts as a negative. So copper acts as a positive electrode, then cathode zinc acts as a negative electrode. So for here positive electrode and this is a negative electrode. Copper acts as a positive electrode, zinc acts as a negative electrode. So this is about the simple voltaic cell. Then so observe the diagram very clearly. Then we have to see electrolyte, anodes, cathode, connecting wires, all we have to see in the diagram. So direction of current this is. So here this is about what? Voltaic cell or galvanic cell. As already we discussed the voltaic pipe. This is construction and working simply. Construction and working. And we also construct our own voltaic cell by using any chemical substances or by using the lemons. If you take the lemon and cut into different two pieces. Take 2 or 3 lemons, cut them into two halves. So if you take 2 or 4 enough, then whenever we have to insert the different metallic wires, copper strips, right? So here we fix the copper plate, and here we fix the iron. Similarly, so like this. Again, this is connected with copper. Again, this is iron. Here iron rods one side, iron nails one side, copper nails or copper wires rods one side. Then we have to give the connection. Simple. Then finally, if here we arrange any bulb or any LED, then the bulb glows. So in this way, we also prepared our own voltaic cell by taking copper lemons. So here this is iron nail. Then the other one is copper wire and lemon. So lemon contains citric acid. So due to acid present here, 2 different metallic wires are inserted here due to chemical reaction between the electrodes or the metal wires and the acid present in the lemon. Electricity is generated in the bulb. So the same thing also happened here. The Alexander Volta taken sulfuric acid, dilute sulfuric acid, two different metals. One is copper, another one is the zinc. Here acid present in the lemon, one is copper and another one is the iron. Instead of iron, if you take zinc also no problem. So in this way we have to prepare our more electrolytic cell, which is also called as electrolytic cell. Electrolytic cell or voltaic cell or the galvanic cell, right? So this is about one kind of cell, it is voltaic cell. Then next we will discuss dry cell.